Today I'm going to be talking all about how to use WhatsApp channels. First of all, WhatsApp channels are something that's a little bit unique to this type of messaging app that are different than groups. Groups are where you can add several people in your contacts into a group, and then you can all interact together, much like a group text or group messages on Facebook or anything like that. Channels are designed as a one-way communication. So people can sign up and be added to a channel and receive information, but they're not able to interact with you. So this is great for businesses or brands or influencers, things like that. If you just want to have a channel, a way of communicating to your group, to your audience, to your customers, clients, and say, there's an update, there's a sale, there's something going on, that's where the channel comes into play. Now, when you're looking at your WhatsApp interface, you can see I'm in my chats right now. The channels live in a totally different place. They're actually in the update section. So you see across the bottom, you click update, and I could look at all the different channels, sports, news and information, lifestyle, and I could follow those channels. So let's say I want to follow IGN. So we click follow. And now when we go out of this, we can see here's the IGN channel, just like a news feed. Now I have all that information. I can check in there, get updates. There's links. I can go to those things, learn about what I want to learn about. But these updates, what's added into a channel only stays active for 30 days. So you kind of have to go in and check periodically, depending on how often the channel posts, so that you can see what's in there. Up at the top, you also see a little bell there. You can turn that on and it'll notify you when a new message is in there. So this is a good way of keeping up to date with some of your favorite brands, some of your favorite influencers, companies, those sorts of things. Now, if you want to create your own channel, all you have to do is go up to the top three dots up in the top left-hand corner and go to Create Channel and Continue. And now you just name your channel. Let's say I want to call this Andy Canode. Create channel. You can also add a description. You can add a photo, things like that. And then now we can either send a link. So you click on that to share a link with people that you think might be interested, or you could share a status so that people can be able to have that come up in your feed. And then here you just post what you want to post. You could add photos, you could add links to articles, whatever it is. You could add promotions for your business, and you just broadcast those out, just like you would send any sort of message, and you send that out, and that broadcasts out to everybody that is a follower of your channel. And it's that easy. Now you see your channels are in there. You see the channels that I'm following, and then other ones that I can follow. And obviously it's going to cater into that more as it sees what types of channels that I'm following. It'll give you more. So just another great feature that WhatsApp has added. So that's everything that you need to know to get started using channels. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.